my name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. In Lowcoder we create application, which is mainly the front ends to your existing data, databases or APIs. Here in the admin area, you can not only create different types of application, but you also can upload an application definition file. This is JSON, so I can import and export Lowcoder applications to this platform. We will look for the import in some moments, but first I wanted to show the different types of applications you can actually do. The most classic is the app itself, which is one single page on which you can have all the components, data queries, event handling, and so on. Sometimes you want to combine multiple applications to an app, which makes it a little bit hard to name the things right. So let's say you have a navigation application where you can then access multiple individual apps that you already did prepare. For this reason, we do have the PC navigation, classic, the left-sided, and the mobile navigation. As you can see here, we differentiate between them. Difference? Mobile navigation is already the smaller screen width, and it has on the bottom the navigation, exactly like you used in a very classic mobile phone application. And the PC navigation has navigation, it seems, on the left side as a vertical bar, where you then have a list of all the possible applications as a small hierarchic tree. You can access of that. Let's have a look for PC application. Very simple. You can create by data or by your own clicks, the menu. And then you simply say which app should be shown on which tab that you have. Here's all our apps, for example, listed. And if user clicks on that, the app will load. We added some styling capabilities so you can quite individualize this navigation menu. And also we have the possibility here that you use data queries to load the navigation dynamically into this app. And then you would have, when you have database, have this opportunity to have the JSON directly from your database. So this will show the menu in a way, so either manual or by data. Coming back to the other way, the mobile navigation, it looks very similar from the way of editing. It's also this possibility of manual and data-based creation of the menu itself. But then you see that the application will always consume 100% of the screen height of the mobile phone and has the buttons on the lower side. Rest works exactly the same. You define what you want to see, to go to another app, to go to another screen, and so on. You can do this all by event handlers. The last point, what is here interesting, is the import. Let's import one app that our Anan did. And this is a truly big monster. It is our aim in the one story to make all the different components that we have. And we will see this app multiple times. So you have seen I was able to just select the JSON from this app, copy inside. I can give it a name here. And that's the way how I would export and import these applications in Lowcoder. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials. And if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.